Hey there everyone, today we're looking at an Elektra S1. It's a beautiful machine. It was actually a pretty simple fix. This unit was overheating. It was never recognized that it reached sufficient levels. That's because we had to replace the thermostat, which was relatively simple thing to fix. It's this small piece here. But yeah, now she's running perfectly, so let's go ahead and run a shot. Let it build some pressure. It's a nice lever. All you have to do is let it go, and she kind of does the job for you. And there we go. About an ounce comes out. It probably could have been a bit more coarse, but it's not our grind. So that's working beautifully. Let's run some steam. And she's working like a charm. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube.